want to show you some ways to play free music and maybe even holiday music. So let's talk about some free music. There's a couple different ways to get free music. There's a lot, actually. There's Pandora, there's Apple Music, there's a lot of different things. All of them have options where you can pay for like an ad-free service on there. So generally, if you're getting free music from somewhere, there will be ads every couple of songs, like every 6 songs or something like that. And that can be annoying, but you don't have to pay for it. So that's kind of nice. There's usually like the paid version. I know for Spotify is like $9.99 a month, but you can get a lot of the perks of Spotify for free otherwise. There's just ads in there too. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at this app, Spotify. And again, this is one of a bunch of options. I'm just showing it to you because it's one that I like. Okay, so Spotify is right here. It's this one with the green circle and the little black lines on it. And if you go into the Play Store, let me just show you this. If you go into the Play Store and search by Spotify, Spotify, it should pop up. See, look. So it says, listen to new music. It just says open on here because I've already downloaded it. Okay, so you're going to go to the Spotify app and it'll ask you to make an account. So basically, it'll just ask for your email address. It'll ask you to make a password. I think it asks you for your date of birth and your gender. And then it'll ask you to pick. It'll give you this long list of popular sort of artists. And it'll ask you to pick 3 of them that you like. So you go in there and pick 3 that you like, and then it'll customize things to you. So it'll offer you like this daily mix, or like I put Beyonce on there. So it gives me Beyonce radio. So that's just so it can like sort of customize what it's showing you that you might want to listen to. I was thinking about this in terms of like playing holiday music, if that was something that you wanted to do over the holidays. So I have all these options for things to listen to whenever, but I want to look for holiday music right now. Let's say that I want to get in the holiday spirit. So in order to do that, I'm going to go down to where this magnifying glass is. So you see the home magnifying glass. This is your library. But right now we're just going to look at this magnifying glass, which is the search feature. So we're going to go there. And you see you can browse all these different things. But let's say we want to go to Happy Holidays. So that's going to be a bunch of playlists that are like holiday themed. Okay. So we have Christmas, we have Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, we have peaceful radio. So we have all of those. Let's say we want some party music for our party of 1 or 2 of the people that we live with, as opposed to a large party gathering of people outside our home. But let's say we want, let's just go to this Christmas party. So you see, you can just go through and play this whole thing. It's just a playlist that's made for you, and you can do all of this for free. The only thing that's going to be different is that you're going to have some ads in there. And you know, again, small price to pay for free music. Let's see what happens if we just search holidays. I did that earlier, so you can see the trail of my last search. So we have this playlist called Holiday Classics. So yeah, we can just go through here. You can start this. Let's say we want to play. I won't play it out loud because we don't have the rights to this music. We probably shouldn't put them on Facebook without that. But look, if I go ahead and play this, it's playing right now. All right. And it'll go through and keep playing. I can pause it right here. I can hit play right there. I can jump ahead to a different song if I want to. And you can actually listen to a whole bunch of free music this way. So again, too, let me take you back to the very beginning. Oh, sorry. The easiest way is to go to home here. All right. So when you select the artist that you like, let's say we wanted to listen to Beyonce radio. So what it'll do is it gives us, it's like a radio station. It's like its version of a radio station, based on musicians that are like Beyonce, or that, you know, overlap with Beyonce in some sort of way. So there'll be Beyonce songs in here too, but then there'll be people um, that are somehow like connected. They think, you know, if you like Beyonce, you'll like this stuff too. So that's another way to hear like a variety of music, or like maybe music that's new to you as well. So play around with the Spotify app. It's really fun. And basically just about anything you can imagine is on there. And some of the things that are better about the paid version is you don't have ads. The sound quality is a little bit better. I don't know that it's super noticeable for most people, but that's what I've heard. You can also sort of make your own playlists and do stuff like that. You can share playlists with other people if you have the paid version. I mean, if you're just trying to listen to music, the free version can be a really good option. So Spotify has free accounts. And basically, it'll just ask you when you're signing up, do you want the free account or do you want to pay for it? And you just say you want the free account. If you find that you really, really like it and eventually you want to pay for it, that's fine. But you can do that whenever you want to. Or you can just use the free version forever. That's fine too. Well, happy holidays, everyone.